Hey, man, we got an Ezgo here. Customer said, let's see what they said here. They said that the gauge shows full all the time, which I believe it, because them things there are pieces of junk. I hate digital gauges. They ain't worth crap, man. I hate it. They show full or they read dead all the time. And they said that in forward, it runs slow, but in reverse it runs good. So what's the first thing you do there? Hey Jason, bring that load tester. So the first thing you do there is you take battery voltage, because in forward it runs slow, in reverse it runs fine. So I'm gonna see what that could be. Either they've done something to the motor and flipped the wires, which I doubt it. All right, that load tester wire there, Paul, Daddy. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to check voltage. Rule number one, always check voltage, man. Let's see here. Volts DC, V with a straight line. Because what we're doing on this channel, we're going to change one part only, man. We're not going to make the customer waste money, and I'm not going to waste money. What we're going to do is we're going to see what the load tester is, each individual battery. You can buy this at Walmart, Lowe's, Advance, and you hold it down. Now, hold it. Now you don't go by the bad or the good, because this is actually for a 12-volt battery. So if you show here, it's going over here. You think it's bad already, but it ain't. You go by the numbers on the top. This is called a load tester. All right, that battery shows 6 volts. What's that tell you, Jay? Right there, automatically. I'll keep going. Let's see if they got water in them. Yeah, man. All right. What's that tell you, Jay?
What's that? 6 volts.
6 volts under load. Hold it for 1 second.
That's enough to hold the charge.
All right, right there. Hold the button down. 7 volts. All right, next one. That battery's 6 volts. Then we're coming into the third battery, 6 volts. Like Biggie said, rule number uno, always check battery voltage. All right, we got the next battery, 6 volts. So what's that tell y'all, whoever watching on here, man? If you're one of my subscribers and you watch a bunch of my videos, you should know what that means already. All right, 6 volts. And I'm going to tell you what the customer said. In reverse, it runs good. In forward, it runs slow. All right, let's test the other one. So what do you think that means, Jay? If all batteries drop from 8 to 6, what does that tell you? That means that the batteries are G2s. That means they're 22s. That says right there, in reverse, you run off half voltage. In forward, you run off full voltage. So that tells me that all the batteries are weak, meaning that they haven't been charged in the car. Now, if you would have tested this battery and it showed 4 volts or 3 volts, and this one showed 7 volts or 8 volts, this battery is bad. But with all these batteries being equal, that says that the customer just is not maintaining the car like you should. All right, man, but that's how it rolls. Everybody does that for sure. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I was hoping this was going to be a long video, and look at this, something simple. All right, man, stay tuned, man.